Welcome back to the channel. Yes, today we're making a peri peri chicken recipe from scratch and made my peri peri seasoning. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. So to my new supporters, appreciate you guys for coming on board. Please make it official, tap the subscribe button, put your bell on so you won't miss another upload. For my old supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. Love you guys for always support. So if you want to see how, just keep on watching. Okay guys, this one is a follow along video and all the instruction and ingredients I use will be on the screen, so that's manageable. Or you can pause the video and screenshot the ingredients, and I'll try my best to link it in the description box as well. But here's all the season that I use to make the peri peri season mix. So just keep on watching guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
this is my peri peri chicken. I did it in the oven. This can be done in the air fryer. This can be done on the grill. But I decided to just put mine in the oven and let it be, okay? And here I've garnished with some leftover peri peri seasoning powder, and I add some crushed red pepper, yes, and some parsley to garnish. So if you enjoy this one, guys, please like, share, comment. And for those coming for the first time, welcome. From my old supporters, again, I appreciate you guys a lot. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.